Hello guys, welcome to Always a Learner. We believe in good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good is better and your better is best. So guys, welcome to the fresh and new episode of Tech Intimation. We are here with some latest tech news. So let's get started. So guys, the first news that we have is from Twitter. Twitter had suspended a number of accounts that claim to be owned by Black Trump and has re-election campaign, saying the accounts broke its rules on spam and platform manipulation. Twitter policy against platform spam prohibits accounts coordination. Some accounts used photos of black American men that appeared in articles. Some used identical images of Trump as their head image. Next news that we have is from Facebook. Facebook says it will ban advertisements on the platform that discourage vaccination, with an exception carved out for advocacy advertisements about government advertisement policies. Facebook has tightened its rules around COVID-related misinformation. It also bans what it deems dangerous misinformation about the virus. At number 3, we have news from NASA. NASA announced that 8 countries have signed an international agreement called Artemis Accords that outlines the principle of future exploration of Moon and beyond. NASA also planned to establish an orbital space station called Gateway. These signatories commit to adhere to peaceful exploration transparently. The Artemis Accord exclude China, a rising space rival to US. Listing further, we have news from Oppo. Oppo is all set to launch Oppo A15 in India. The phone features Android 10 based ColorOS 7.2 and the phone will be powered with MediaTek Helio P35 processor paired with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. The phone features a 5MP front camera and 13MP triple rear camera setup. The phone is backed with a 4230 mAh battery and the phone will launch tomorrow October 15 at 12 pm. Are you excited for this? Comment below your views. Moving forward to the next update that we have is about Facebook Messenger. Facebook is rolling out a new look for Messenger app. It will also be bringing new features to the platform like chat themes, selfie stickers and custom reactions. The app also has a new logo in blue to pink gradient finish. There will be a new vanish mode through which messages will disappear when you leave the chat or after they are viewed. The same feature as in Snapchat. Well, the new feature will really be very great in use, so check for update in Play Store and App Store and get your app updated. Next news that we have is from Samsung. The mega entertainer Samsung Galaxy M31 Prime is launched in India by the company, which features Android 10 based One UI 2.1 and Infinity U style display. The phone is powered with Samsung Exynos 9611 processor paired with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. There is 64MP triple rear camera setup, 32MP front camera and a 6000 mAh battery with 15W fast charging support. The phone comes in 3 color options: Ocean Blue, Space Black and Iceberg Blue. The phone will go on sale via Amazon on October 17 with the price tag of 16,999 rupees in India, and it comes with 3 months of Amazon Prime membership for free, so it is good choice to buy under 20,000 rupees. At number 7, we have news from Canon. Canon EOS M50 Mark II is launched in India featuring 24.1MP sensor, YouTube live streaming and touch-sensitive LCD screen that allows for tap to focus. You can record 4K videos on the camera. It features 3x to 10x movie digital zoom. The Canon EOS M50 Mark II is priced at 58,995 rupees in India and will go on sale starting December in 2 color options, white and black. There isn't any exact date shared by the company about the availability, but sometime in December. So the last update that we have is from Apple. Apple held an event to launch iPhone 12 lineup, and on the event Apple unveiled iPhone 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max, HomePod mini and MagSafe accessories. Apple Airport Studio were expected, but they will be unveiled in November event when Apple will unveil new MacBook lineup with silicon chipsets. We already made a video about the recap of the event and video is little bit long, but we explain everything about the event. Link is available in description, so go and watch the video and comment your views in the comment section. So guys, that's all for today. We hope you really enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends. Please subscribe our channel for more such videos and don't forget to press the bell icon which won't let you miss any of the latest video. Also, join us on social media platforms. The Instagram and Twitter handles are mentioned in the description. Please comment your views in the comment section, that really motivates us to improve. Your support is incredible. Thank you for watching. Never forget to smile.